In this ShopFactory 15 video, we'll show you a powerful import and export feature for Excel. To use this new function, which lets you copy and paste data from Excel, we need to go to the list of contents. You can do this at the page level. If you go to Manage Products, you can select and edit products here. Or you can also do it in the list of contents. That's what I'll do for this example. Let's say the supplier Giant has a 10% price increase. Then I could just search for Giant here. And now we see all the products from that supplier right here. So I can select the products. I just do that by selecting the first one. Then, while holding down the Shift key on my keyboard, I click the one at the bottom. If I now right-click in the price column, you'll see some new options here. The first one is to copy the selected product column to Excel. And the second one will copy the entire column. So now I'll select Copy the selected column. And then, if I go to Excel, I can right-click here and paste. So now you'll see all the prices listed here. And what we could simply do is, okay, we could say, add this one, multiply by 10%. That's the new price. We copy this formula to all the other items, and then we select the new prices. We right-click and copy. Then go back to ShopFactory and we paste the Excel data into the column for all selected products. Then you'll get this warning. This operation can't be undone. Are you sure? And then when you click Yes, you'll see that all prices are updated instantly. You can also use this for other fields like the name and the catalog number, etc. Here's a useful tip. At the top right, you'll see a button called List View Settings. You can click on that, and then you can also show a lot of other fields in the product overview. I'll just select them all right now. And this will give you a complete overview of most of the fields. So, for example, if I wanted to update the introduction field for some items, I've now clicked into the introduction field to make the selection. And if I right-click here and copy the selected product column to Excel, I could paste it over here. It'll show the introduction text for these products. So you can update it. And then if you select it and go back to the shop, you can paste it back in and it will update the introduction text.